Alright, so you guys know that I just got my brand new set of oils and I got to replace my Beauty Sleep. So I got excited and I'm gonna make a linen spray. So I'm gonna need 1 ounce of witch hazel. Again, the 100% natural witch hazel with nothing else in it. And I poured some distilled water in here. This is from my oil diffuser. So this is distilled water that I had in my gallons. And then I'm going to use my Beauty Sleep blend. And then I have a little 2 ounce amber spray bottle. So I will show you how to make this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the distilled water. So this is a 2 ounce bottle. And I know I need 1 ounce of witch hazel and 1 ounce of distilled water. So I'm going to pour it in here. And I am just going to fill up the bottle halfway. Let's figure out where I'm at. And that is definitely more than halfway, but we're good. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna add the I'm gonna add my Beauty Sleep. Okay, this is interesting because I have to do this with my one hand since I'm videotaping. Okay. So I'm going to do like 20 drops of this. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And it came out so fast because that's brand new. Alright, so it says 20 to 30 drops. I did 20 and then I'll try it. So then I'm going to fill up the rest of the way with the witch hazel. I'm probably going to go straight to like that little lip again like I did with this mask spray. I didn't measure this because we're gonna wing it. So here's my little, shake it really good. Sorry, I make my bed every morning. Do you guys make your bed every morning? I make it every single morning, but I'm not like, I feel like I don't make it like amazing. Still very wrinkly, but whatever. I just feel like getting into bed when it's made at night is amazing. Okay, so now I'm just going to spritz it on my sheets. Alright, I'm going to pull back my bed. I'm not going to bed for a little bit. I'm going to spritz it. I'm going to let it dry. So this is kind of like a room spray too. Anyways, that was it. Look how easy it is to make these things yourself, you guys. So I use the Beauty Sleep, which I now have a full stock of at Posh. So if you want to order some, it's on my website. I can send you the link. And these little amber bottles I got off of Amazon. And then the witch hazel I got from Target. So, all right, let me know if you guys have any questions.